Want to make websites easier to read? Vivaldi includes several zoom features that let you enlarge web pages and adjust the browser interface. In this video, I'll show you the most useful ways to zoom in and out in Vivaldi. One method is using keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl and the plus key to zoom in or Ctrl and the minus key to zoom out. If you want to return to the default zoom level, press Ctrl plus 0. Another easy option is the zoom control on the status bar. You'll find it at the bottom of the browser window. Drag the slider to the right to zoom in or to the left to zoom out. If you want to return to the default zoom level, simply click Reset. If you prefer buttons instead of a slider, you can change that as well. Press Ctrl plus F12 to open settings, go to Appearance, and in the Window Appearance section, enable Use Buttons in Range Controls. This replaces the slider with zoom buttons and also affects other range controls throughout the browser. While you're in the Appearance section, you can also adjust User Interface Zoom. If menus, tabs, and buttons feel too small, increasing this setting will make the browser's interface larger without affecting website content. You can also zoom using your mouse. Go to the Web Pages section in Settings and look for the option called Use Ctrl plus Scroll to Zoom Page. When enabled, simply hold the Control key and scroll your mouse wheel to zoom in or out. On a touchpad, hold Control and use a two-finger gesture to change the zoom level. While you're in the Web Pages section, you can also change the default web page zoom setting. Increasing this value makes websites appear larger by default, while lowering it makes them appear smaller. You'll also find an option called Use Tab Zoom. When enabled, the zoom level is remembered separately for each tab. When disabled, Vivaldi remembers zoom levels for individual websites instead. With these options, you can customize how both websites and the browser itself appear, making Vivaldi more comfortable to use on any screen size or resolution. That covers the main zoom tools and settings you'll find in Vivaldi. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you make browsing more comfortable and easier to customize. If you found it useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more Vivaldi guides, tips, and how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.